Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in additional. In the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 29th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 6836. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And then between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. Well, this one is very quick to solve. Quick to solve, yes. But we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon. Yes, the 4 stars tectonic. So see you then. Bye bye for now.